Hi guys, it's your boy Mentor X3000 and I have a challenge for you. If you hear this song, it's annoying. You have to hold wait, if it's annoying, you can't get like angry. It's a challenge. Don't try not to get annoyed challenge, okay? Okay.